We got another one. We got another one. Another roof failure. Oh no. This is beginning to be my bread and butter. We got a 2011 M3 here. I love these cars, but the carbon fiber does not love Florida. You gonna do it for me? No, you're not gonna do it for me. Anyways, that's failed. Epoxy failed clear coat, whatever they put on this from the factory. You can see this yellowness is gonna go away. I'm gonna strip this whole thing down to the bare carbon and make it beautiful again. Before we get started on this, I just wanted to let's just see what Blaine has to say. You think we're gonna be able to fix this thing, dude? You think we're gonna be able to get it right? Make it beautiful again? Let me get a hand wave if you say it. Oh, a smile? Yep, that's right. I think we'll take that as a yes. All right, we are gonna make this thing beautiful, and Blaine says so. For those of you who are OCD, I apologize for not doing a time lapse of the entire roof being stripped, but here it is. All right, so this is all of the original material off. The next thing we're going to do is put this interface pad, spongy, on the Festool. And we are going to remove all, you see all this yellow powder? That is just, it's basically UV degraded clear coat and epoxy. So we have to strip all of that off as well. Basically, what you want to wind up with is something that looks like this, where you can see the carbon fiber, you know, the original black and gray weave. That's what you're shooting for here. To strip it, I used 120 grit. I will go over it with 320 to smooth everything out and get the rest of this yellow stuff off. And then we will actually clear coat right over that. We are all ready to go for our second session of clear coat. First layer laid out really well. Really brought back the depth of the carbon fiber. All that yellow is gone. Really looks healthy again. I double bagged this instead of removing the first bag just to eliminate any unnecessary dust stirring up in the air. The garage situation isn't ideal, so anything to eliminate dust in the air helps quite a bit. Here we are the next day after the clear coat has fully dried. Carbon fiber is looking gorgeous, back to its full glory. However, because I am spraying this in a garage, we are going to have some imperfections in the clear coat. So you're gonna see some here, couple, they're all over. This is to be expected when you're painting in a situation like this. But we don't stop there.
Pulled up to the set when I heard that brutal sound of the bass. Start to feel like I'm dreaming, man, should have seen that look on my face. But I'm so low-key, I'm an anonymous G that I left no trace. But when I step one foot in the room, I'ma set this pace. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound, better rise up when I shut this down. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound, better rise up when I drop this.
Drip rails installed, shark fin reinstalled. We can't let it go accompanied by paint that's looking like this. Oh God, no man, no way. Because this customer was referred to my boys over at Corsa Technik, we're gonna give him a little something extra that he has no idea is coming. Let's get into it.
Side by side for the race, just realize that we're in a different lane. Yeah, see I'm out here killing the game. How can you claim that we're living the same? See in reality being on a similar stage. You're sitting in the crib while I'm singing my name. That flames, whole of the city on lock. The coldest flows and the cream of the crop. Weave them bees with a lean and a bop. Got a phone line ringing to the heat don't stop. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound, better rise up when I shut this down. I feel like king of the hill when they're never gonna take my crown. That's the type of my sound, better rise up when I drop this.